So for the past couple of days, I've been testing out the Kyltoor dash cam. This is a two-camera dash cam. So you're getting 4K in the front, 1080p in the back. You're also getting night vision and wide angle coverage. So you're getting all of the front, but also a little bit of the left and the right as well. And from the dash cams that I've tested out, this is probably the widest angle lens I've tested so far when it comes to a dash cam. You're also getting app support as well, and we'll talk a little bit about that further in the video. Now, I gotta pose this question. If you don't already have a dash cam yet, what's taking you so long? Because I feel having a dash cam is a necessity when it comes to driving a car or just having your own vehicle. Why don't you have one yet? Now, here's the thing. Because when you have these, you're catching everything. Let's just say for some reason you have to give evidence for a police report. A dash cam will aid with that. Let's just say maybe it's not even an accident. Let's just say you're somewhere and you catch the craziest thing happening in front of your car or the rear. Your dash cam will capture that. So you can go back to your family and friends like, guys, you wouldn't believe what happened. I've got the evidence. It's on my dash cam. There's just something is always happening. It's a good thing. I think it's just a great thing if you have a dash cam on your car. Now, with that being said, how's the image quality? Well, I'll say this. You can see license plates, you can see phone numbers, street signs, names on the side of a card. Like, you can see text all around you. As far as the image quality, it's 4K dash cam-ish, meaning it's not true 4K. So do expect some concessions and temper your expectations. With that being said, it does feature wide dynamic range, so it's going to do well in bright sunlight and low light at the same time. When it comes to night scenes, this is where I'd say that the camera does struggle. You still can see the street signs, the license plates, things like that, but the image quality itself is going to start breaking up because of the low light in which the sensor it's doing its best to compensate for that. Now, with that being said, I truly believe you don't have to break the bank when it comes to a dash cam. And the Kyltoor, you're getting the 4K front, 1080p in the back, app support at a very affordable price. So, if this is your first dash cam, or you're just trying to get a dash cam for someone, again, without breaking the bank, I think the Kyltoor is a solid option to look into. Absolutely.
Now, another thing, it also has a built-in microphone. So this is what the microphone sounds like on the Kyltoor featuring its built-in microphone.
All right, another thing, app support. You can preview the camera in real time using the app, so use that however you'd like to use it. You can manually record, you can take a picture, you can download all the video being stored on the SSD card on the camera directly onto the phone, so you can share that video instantaneously. And it also tracks GPS as well, so you can view all those things right there from your smartphone. You've got a lot of features when it comes to the app as well. As far as installation, you're installing this within 5 minutes. Just use a double-sided tape on the windshield, install the wires from the front all the way to the back of your car, use the double-sided glue tape for your dash cam, and turn it on and you're good to go. Now, I will say this. When it comes to the rear dash cam, I found that the back was a little loose, so you can tighten it a bit to kind of have it secure as you're driving. But there you go. Oh, and I will say this about as far as the quality of the rear dash cam for 1080p, it looks good, right? So make sure your windshields are clear, and make sure your windshields are clear and that your camera has a good line of sight of whatever it's looking at. Overall, what do I think about the Kyltoor dash cam? Well, for a budget value dash cam that does offer 4K and 1080p, 2 cameras, app support. Oh, and it offers a collision detection. So if for some reason you do get in collision, the camera will save the recording so it doesn't override itself. That's great. I think for a value dash cam, you're getting a lot of features at a good value. So that would be my recommendation for you. Looking for something affordable, plenty of features, and not trying to break the bank, I think the Kyltoor is a solid option. All right, guys, really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey, guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe, and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.